Hey my dear Ditch family, Ditch Mama here and another tutorial, and this time it's about how do you play with other musicians together? How can you organize this? So I've thought of 3 rhythms, and it's African based rhythms. That's why I did a lot of African percussion and some samba percussion, just to understand the principle of how to put rhythms together. So we're gonna show you how we do it, or one of the ways. Here we go. And today I'm accompanied by my dear friends, because you need different musicians to play different rhythms. We have Lucas Vilnay and Eva Vilnay. Here we are, and so I've gotten these 3 rhythms, African-based rhythms, and just made it into sort of didgeridoo parts, and we have somebody that does some melody, so that's even more rich. One of the rhythms, I will be playing that rhythm, is goo, 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 goo. So if you've seen my videos on breathing your rhythm, you will know it's a goo, 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 goo. Rhythm in 8 counts. Then we have a rhythm. It's T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom, T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom. That's for Lucas. Toom, T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom, T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom. And then we have a rhythm for Eva, and that's gonna be goo, 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 goo. Just already playing around with it, and I told her just to do for a couple of bars exactly that rhythm in one tone, so you have a sort of didgeridoo idea, and then we're gonna let her fly into rhythm. Yeah? Shall we try? So, T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom. Oh, but maybe we do it a little bit faster. T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom, T-toom, ta-ti-ti-toom. Shall I start with my goo? Or do you want to have mine? Oh, sorry. We need to know where the one is. She's got it. So, with playing together, it's important to be in time together, so it's not gonna be mushy. So we have these clap sticks that Lucas makes, and we're going to keep the time, and we're going to do it a little bit faster so it's more groovy. Here we go! Woohoo! Look guys, veel leuk! So this is how you do it! Yay! And we're here in this beautiful studio of Eva. Middle Earth Gallery. And they just finished this amazing place. Lukas is finishing amazing didgeridoos for this whole studio to be full of instruments. So if you're in the Czech Republic, you have to visit their beautiful place in
Merbuldice.
Magic Village.
Yeah, it's very close to the German border. So if you're from Germany, come and visit this amazing place. Thank you, Jikui, and love and light.
Naschledanou.
Ahoj.
Ahoy!